my name is Ms. Kent. I am a 6th grade English Language Arts teacher here at Dunedin Highland Middle School. A little bit about my class. I try my very best to not send students home with any homework. I want them to have time to be kids as well. Any homework that is given will have been an in-class assignment that was not finished in class. The homework that is given, me and the students will go over the next day in class, so if there's any confusion and or questions, we can clear those up right away. I do accept late work, and if students did receive a lower grade on a homework assignment, I am happy to provide remediation for that. I love to be in close communication with my students' parents. I can be reached at email at kento@pcsb.org, and if any parents would like to have my phone number handy, I am happy to provide this as well. My class has 3 rules the students must follow, these being be respectful to not only the teacher, their classmates, but to themselves as well. My goal for this class is for it to really be a place where students feel supported and loved by not only me, but their classmates as well. I think having a support system really contributes to growth in the classroom. My second rule I have for the students is I expect them to come to class prepared and on time. I do have bell ringer assignments every day, and I would hate for a student to be losing points just due to tardies. And speaking of coming to class prepared, I am cruising through some pencils, so if any parents feel led to send their child back to school with some extra pencils, I will be happy to take those. And my last rule for students is to give me their best effort. I know some days will look different than others, but I want them to give me what they can so I can help them reach their full potential in my class. I'm looking forward to speaking to all of you. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm happy to answer those, and I am excited about the rest of the year with your student.